Welcome to my channel. Mercusys AC10 AC1200 Wireless Dual Band Router. Unbox the router, ensure all contents are present: router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user manual. Connect to power, plug the power adapter into the router and a power outlet. Connect internet source, use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port, usually blue. Turn on the router, press the power button if available, and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize. Connect to the router using Wi-Fi, look for the Mercusys default SSID, written on the router label, and connect using the default password. Using Ethernet, connect a PC/laptop to one of the LAN ports using an Ethernet cable. Open web browser. Go to http://mwlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 in your browser. Create a login password. The first time you log in, you will be prompted to create a new admin password. Select Internet connection type, automatic detection available. Dynamic IP, most ISPs use this, no extra details needed. PPPoE, requires ISP-provided username and password. Test Internet, open a website or stream a video to confirm connectivity. Update firmware, optional but recommended. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.